Myself, Dr. Bhavna Gadvi. I am here principal at Ahmedabad Institute of Medical Sciences. I am working in this institution since 2008 and I am a principal here since 2013. This is a message to all my alumni students, my current students, my colleagues and all the physios. Ahmedabad Institute of Medical Sciences has been established since 2006 with a program of DPT, and then we started master's program since 2011. In the field of physiotherapy, AIIMS has grown up to a tremendous level, and we have been established ourselves and AIIMS as an institution with so many diversity. Like we have been working here we have been proved ourselves, or our students has proved themselves in academics as well as extracurricular activities. One of the best milestone which as a AIIMS Physiotherapy College we have achieved is in 2014 we have organized a state level conference where 2,200 participants have participated with a huge success. The conference was held at Ahmedabad GMDC Convention Hall. The other things which we have initiated for overall growth of the student here is we have started a graduation, a unique graduation program at a college level. We have started sports day, inter-college sports competition that is called Physio Cup. We have started food festivals where our students have not only learned the culinary skills, but they have also learned the business skills also, because we have given them freedom to make the different varieties of food as well as to sell them. Here we actually give them platform to grow in each and every direction of physiotherapy, but also the life, because here students learns every aspect of their life or life skills by participating into academic activities as well as extracurricular activities. Talking about clinics, we give them exposure to every level of physiotherapy management, like at a clinical level, at a hospital level, at a corporate level. So that is why we have tied up with so many hospitals, trust hospitals or trust clinics and private hospitals. We have got our own OPD at AIIMS campus, which has been situated in a rural area. So our students have also learned how to deal with rural people, how to increase awareness into the rural area about the physiotherapy, about ergonomics, about women's health. There are so many things we have initiated here, and this is why even though being into rural area, we have got a plenty number of patients at our doorstep, and this is how we are actually participating or adding values to the community. There are so many academic achievements of AIIMSians, many of the students have achieved ranks in university exams. Many of our students have participated into national, state level conferences where they have won the prizes into scientific papers and poster presentations. Our students have participated in every state level conference into academic as well as cultural events and sports events, where they have participated so well that 2 times we won Best College Trophy at the state level conference in 2014 and 2018. So this is how we at AIIMS, management, faculties and student are actually growing together. And I am very thankful to management who have given us freedom to execute all the activities or to execute all the ideas what we actually think of, and they have provided us a good platform, and we provide our students a good platform to flourish their skills and knowledge. I wish all the AIIMSians starting from 2006 batch to 2020 batch very best in their professional life as well as personal life, because if you are not a good human being, you won't be a good physiotherapist, because physiotherapy is actually a branch with a human touch. So you need to be a good human to be a good physiotherapist. So I have tried my best to inculcate this peculiarities or this characteristic in each of my students, and that is why AIIMS students have been successful in any branch, being into Gujarat, being out of Gujarat, in abroad, in academics, in clinical. There are many ancients who have been who have come forward with a unique ideas of so many precise branches also. So this is actually overwhelming for me to address for AIIMS and ancients, and thank you very much AIIMS college who have given me this opportunity to share my views, and all the very best to all the ancients, and my blessings are always there with all of you. Thank you.